All right, guys, today we're working on a Jeep Wrangler. We got a classic Jeep Wrangler problem. We got our drive shaft here. So we're gonna take off these 4 bolts here. I'll tell you the sizes in a little bit. We're gonna take off, I believe there's 8 bolts right here. And we're gonna take those off, and I mean, easy peasy. All right, we got these bolts loosened by hand. Put a pry bar in the drive shaft to keep it still, and got them by hand because I don't want no bolts snapping. Once they're loosened by hand, I use power tools. Bada boom. Impact. Same story here. 15/16 or 8mm on these bolts. Broke them free, and then use the cordless ratchet to zip those off. One swift hammer blow right here, and that popped right off. And it's just fused to the transfer case. All right, we got all those tight, and we're just gonna pull this drive shaft. This drive shaft will compress. I don't ever like to use the impact with these bolts. After you snap one, you tend to never do it again because that's a pain. And just get them set and then hand torque. That's how she's done, guys. A little bit of Loctite and all your bolt threads, by the way.